This morning, I made my amazing spinach protein shake and went into the bathroom to brush my teeth before I go to a meeting. And all of a sudden, I realized, oh my gosh, it is all over my shirt. It's such a mess. Isn't life a little messy? Hi, I'm Kim Zoller, and welcome to Wednesday's Wirings. Our lives are messy. There's no one's life that isn't messy. You know, there was a time when I would get so upset that there was all this stuff on my shirt, and today I just took the cloth and wiped it off, and hopefully it'll be dry by the time I go to my meeting. And if it's not, it's not, because it's a mess. So what do we do with the mess? What do you do with the mess? Do you sit in the mess, or do you just clean it up and move on? I want to challenge you. I want to challenge all of us to know that no one's life isn't messy. Everyone's life is messy. It's what we make of it every single day. And have the very best day, because that's your choice.